Wild news, the Department of Justice this week just had two major prosecutions collapse because the person leading them wasn't legally allowed to hold the job. And this is one of the most serious appointment violations I have ever seen. I'm Eliza Orlins, career public defender for 15 years in Manhattan. And let me explain. In September 2025, former FBI Director James Comey was indicted for allegedly lying to Congress and obstructing a congressional proceeding. At the same time, New York Attorney General Letitia James was indicted for allegedly misleading financial institutions to secure better mortgage rates. Both indictments came from the same person. The indicting attorney was attorney by the name of Lindsay Halligan, a former White House aide with no prosecutorial background who was suddenly elevated to serve as U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia. There was a reason that appointment moved so fast, and there was a reason that it fell apart. A federal judge reviewed the timeline and concluded that Halligan never had legal authority to hold that position in the first place, which means she never had authority to bring either indictment. So here's the law. When a U.S. attorney leaves office, the Attorney General can appoint an interim replacement for a limited period of 120 days. After that deadline passes, the district court becomes the only body empowered to appoint a U.S. attorney. That is designed specifically in that way so as to prevent political appointees from bypassing Senate confirmation indefinitely. So here's how the timeline unfolded. The previous U.S. Attorney, Eric Siebert, was appointed in January. His 120 days expired in May. At that point,